The Action Accelerator. Welcome to Connex. Well, every revolution starts with a spark, and in the automotive world, that spark has always been action. Not talk, not theory. Action. For over a century, cars have been more than machines. They've been manifestations of momentum. From the first rumble of a combustion engine to the silent surge of an electric motor, the world's most iconic automakers and innovators have shared one philosophy: move fast, build bold, and never stall in neutral. That's what the Action Accelerator is all about: a mindset, a movement, and a method for transforming ideas into ignition. From blueprint to burnout, the missing gear in modern innovation. Every year, thousands of automotive startups emerge with breathtaking ideas, revolutionary designs, sustainable fuels, breakthrough mobility systems. And yet, most never make it past the prototype phase. Why? Because the industry doesn't just reward creativity, it rewards velocity. Innovation without execution is like an engine without fuel. It looks impressive, but it doesn't go anywhere. The Action Accelerator fills that gap. It's not just about dreaming the next big thing. It's about accelerating the doing. It's the philosophy of the pit lane, where seconds count and hesitation costs the race. It's the culture of garages, workshops, and midnight tinkering sessions where real progress happens, not in boardrooms, but with hands stained in grease and hearts wired for speed. The DNA of action. Every legend in the automotive world, from Enzo Ferrari to Elon Musk, from Carroll Shelby to Christian von Koenigsegg, understood one thing: perfection is born through motion. Ferrari didn't wait for permission. Shelby didn't ask for approval. Musk didn't wait for infrastructure. They all hit the gas while others were still checking the mirrors. That's the Action Accelerator principle: progress through momentum. It's about compressing time between idea and implementation. It's about learning by doing, adapting in real time, and refusing to idle while others deliberate. Every prototype built, every lap raced, every risk taken, that's an accelerator moment. Because in this industry, speed isn't the enemy of precision, it's the catalyst for mastery. Turning motion into mastery. Imagine a program, a garage, a culture where builders, engineers, and dreamers don't just talk about the future of mobility, they build it together. That's the heart of the Action Accelerator, a space where every spark of curiosity becomes a working prototype, where AI meets aerodynamics, where EV startups meet classic restorers, where combustion engineers and clean tech innovators work side by side. It's not about competition, it's about collaboration at full throttle. In this arena, progress isn't measured in horsepower or top speed. It's measured in initiative per second. How fast can you go from concept to chassis, from sketch to simulation, from dream to drive? Because when you accelerate action, you accelerate impact. From the garage to the globe, automotive history has always favored the bold. The Wright brothers didn't build the perfect plane on their first try. Henry Ford didn't invent mass production overnight, and the pioneers of electric mobility didn't have roadmaps, they made them. Now, as the industry faces its greatest transformation, autonomy, electrification, sustainability, the same rule applies. Progress belongs to the doers. The Action Accelerator stands as a rally cry for those who refuse to wait for perfect conditions. It's for innovators who build while others brainstorm, for creators who see failure as feedback, for dreamers who understand that the road to revolution is paved with momentum. The automotive world doesn't need more ideas, it needs more ignition. Because the future isn't coming. It's being built, tested, and tuned right now by those willing to move. So whether you're restoring a rusted relic into a roaring masterpiece, designing the next autonomous marvel, or crafting cleaner engines for a greener planet, the question isn't, can it be done? The question is, when will you hit the gas? Because in the end, innovation isn't about waiting for inspiration. It's about taking action and accelerating it. Welcome to the Action Accelerator, where motion creates mastery and every second counts. If you like, please share and subscribe our channel.